Welcome back on my second video. I am Ajit Patil from DKT Textile and Engineering Institute. Cost of quality and TQM tools. Why quality is so difficult to manage? Suppose we are manufacturing the yarn and these are four different factors affecting during manufacturing of the yarn. Suppose this year due to improper rain or changing in climate, there is a very bad quality of cotton crop. So we unable to manufacture yarn from this like of this type of the crop. Next, the humidification. In our spinning plant, RS percentage is very high or very low. This causes the roller lapping. So we unable to manufacture yarn from improper humidification. Next, unskilled labor. Suppose everything is okay, but labor having not good skill, so we unable to manufacture good qualities of yarn. And last is the department. In spinning plant, there are numbers of departments like production department, production planning control department, and quality department. Suppose linking between in these departments is not good, so we unable to manufacture the good qualities of yarn. Next, what are the traditional management? Drawback of traditional management. Traditional management not focusing on short term of profit. This only focusing on only short term of profit. Next, poor competitive positioning. Actually, we have to upgrade ourselves in today's market. Let's consider example of the Nokia. Due to lack of upgradation in Nokia mobile technology, today is not for today's market not good for the Nokia mobile. Now, if we tolerate high wastage, so ultimately this will reduces the our beneficial part. Now buying at lowest price. If you buy the yarn at low price, ultimately quality of the yarn buy at the low price. This will be very low. Next, quality management. What is meant by the quality management? Quality management means the customer satisfaction is today engine for the growth. We need to assessing ourselves, recognizing ourselves and customer requirement. We have to check this for better quality management. This is our actually quality guru and they are given us different types of the quality tool so we can easily manage our quality. Next, current situation of the world. What actually the problems of now today's world? Today's world is more competitive than ever. Financial situation is not good. Customer expectation is increasing and rapidly changes in technologies. What customer looks for? First, performance, main characteristic of product and services, aesthetics, special features, conformance, safety, reliability, durability, preserved quality, service after sale. These are actually customer wants in our product. So we need to focus on this parameter to providing better quality for our customer. Now what actually difference between precision and accuracy? Suppose here we are manufacturing 30s count yarn and here count is 30 and if we check the four machine those are manufacturing 30s count and every machine shows the count resultant count only 30. So this is called accuracy and precision. Now next, no accurate and precision. We want 30s count but here we got 28 count for four machines. This is actually precise but not actually this is a accuracy. Now in the third there is a accurate. We are got count resultant 30 on this machine but there is a no precision because of this count is maybe 28, this 27, 26 and in the last picture there is a no any accurate and no precise. Due to this what happened, here is the 30 count we want and here we get like 27 count, 25, 26. This actually the difference between precision and accuracy. Next, cost of poor quality. There are three factors we affect on poor quality. Now, appraisal cost. Suppose we are manufacturing shirts for the customer. After manufacturing shirt, we need to test this shirt. This is matches with customer requirement or not. For that, waste ultimately generate. So this called as appraisal cost. Next is internal failure cost. Internal failure cost mean actually there is we a customer want triple XL shirt but here we manufacture only Excel sheet. So this is the internal cost. This cost we know and we rejected now in our testing lab. This is actually one type of the cost, or we can say wastage. Now external failure cost. Customer wants some fabric 5 meter wide, but we are provided fabric with 4 meter wide, and this is actually customer find this actually our problem in our system. So that this is called as a external failure cost. Next, Togashi quality loss function. Now we are manufacturing 40s count, and for the 40s count, customer tolerance is 1.5 percentage. Now if our count in between 39.50 to 40, the customer will be accept, or in between 40 to 40.50, this will be accept. But beyond these two limits, if we go, customer will directly reject this count of the yarn. So we need to find first what is mean by the tolerance and what actually customer want tolerance. Beyond that, this will be create waste. Now 7 quality tools. Flowchart. Flowchart, this is a very important 7 tools in a 7 quality tools. Now this is actually flowchart for manufacturing yarn, combed yarn, carded yarn and the rotor yarn. And this carding, this is actually heart of the spinning, because of without carding we unable to manufacture the yarn. Suppose it's a carding process, there is any problem, so ultimately there is a problem in the combed yarn also, rotor yarn also, and carded yarn also. So from the flow chart we get idea how much process will be the long and what actually important stages in the our process. Second, it is check sheet. Suppose our machine stoppages increases. We don't know, but how we can find? Here we classify our defects like warp breakage, weft breakage, and machine stoppages. And this is we recorded the frequency of the stoppage by supervisor. And after that we got the final result: warp breakages 11, weft breakages 7, and machine stoppages is 2. From these check sheet we got idea there is a warp breakages in the on machine. This is more, so our machine is stoppaging, not from the weft breakages. Third, cause and effect diagram. This is actually causes. What causes? Reason behind the causes is man causes, causes due to machine, due to method and the material. Now this is a broken sheet, this is effect. This is from the material side, what is the causes? Weak thread. From the method, wrong needle size and thread size, or chemical degradation of the thread during the washing. From man side, this is a improper thread cutting, and machine side, improper needle attachment. Needle plate maybe have sharp edge and rotary hook of bobbin sharpness. This actually cause and effect diagram. We get idea about what is the cause, causes behind any effect. Fourth, Pareto chart. From the Pareto chart, we can got idea which is our defects are major in our product. There is a one example: missing button. Missing button is more than 200, and stitching errors is 112. Then this is ongoing defects in our shirts. So from to that we got idea there is a missing button, this is a major problem. So our customer rejected this shirt, so we have to work on the major problem. So this is the major problem, those are affecting our final quality of product. Fifth, control chart. This actually the red line shows the customer requirement, and this is our control limit. This is upper control limit and this is a lower control limit. For different days we did this inspection and we got idea this is actually beyond our control limit, so we have to reject this product due to this is apart from our limit of control. Next, scatter diagram. From the scatter diagram we get idea about there is any direct relation or indirect relation or negatively relation or positively relation. Let's example: thermal insulating value of the fabric and the thickness. Suppose we increases the thickness of the fabric from this 1 mm, 2 mm, 3 mm, 4 mm and 5 mm. Ultimately thermal insulation value of the fabric will directly increases. This type of the scatter diagram we get idea about what is the relation between x-axis and y-axis. And last, histogram. Actually, this histogram percentage of men spending at least 1 hour per week participating sport exercise by age. From histogram, we got idea there here is a increasing the ages. Men are reducing their exercises time. This actually histogram. We can find the relation between two properties. Either this is an decreasing or how this is distributed. Like more towards to the left side or more towards to the right side. Of course, I got benefit like what is mean by cost of quality, different quality tools, and gurus in the quality. And for my college, college can use these 7 quality tools to test students' performance. Last action plan, I will try to implement 7 quality tools for getting better result in my life. Thank you. Any mistake in this presentation, please comment.